Welcome, guys. Good evening. Today's topic we're gonna be talking about how to check the task of a token. Okay. So without talking much, let's just go straight to business. I'm assuming I want to check the task of this particular token now. This Panda, Biokin Panda. This token is actually a China token, actually. Understand? But maybe I'll do a video on that on how to know a particular project, whether it's a Nigerian project, a China project, or an American project. I'll do a video on that. Okay. So let's go to business. Let's say we want to check the task of this particular panda. Okay. There are many ways we can do it. We can do it using our desk screener. We can also do it using our some boots on Telegram. Okay. Um, for the purpose of this video, we're going to review all of them one after the other. Okay, let's start with using desk screener tools. To do this, you can do it using a particular tool in desk screener called Token Snipper. Okay. For those of you who doesn't know what is Token Snipper, I did a video on Token Snipper. I did a video on it, so you can just go down to my channel, check some of the videos. You see uh, a video on Token Snipper, how to use Token Snipper, what Token Snipper is being used for, and other things. Okay, so just do it to do that. Okay, while we wait for the Token Snipper to load, please, in case if you have not subscribed to my channel, I beg you, please just do it to subscribe. Do it to subscribe and like the video so that those who really need this video will get to see it. So many newbies out there, many newbies like that are falling victim. They buy token that has status of 100%, and they after buying they end up losing their money to some greedy dev out there and some scam dev out there. So please do it to like and subscribe so that my videos can get to those who really need it. Okay, please, I beg you, I beg you. Okay. The token sniffer has already opened, as you can see. This token scores 80%. What we are looking at is the task. Okay, when I look at the task right now, you see the token buy task is 4%, and the sell task is 4%. Okay, this using a token sniffer to check the task of a particular token. But if maybe say we don't want to use token sniffer, we want to use other ways. There are many other ways, just like I told you guys. Using Telegram bots, there are a lot of Telegram bots you can use to check it. Okay, so let's try the Telegram method. Okay, all you just have to do is copy the CA of that particular project here. Copy the CA, you head down to Telegram. Okay, there are two bots you can use to do it. There are many other bots too, but I'm going to use two bots actually. The two bots are Safe Analyzer bot and Crypto Fighter bot. Okay, let's look at this Safe Analyzer bot. You copy the CA, you open the Safe Analyzer bot. All you just have to do is come on the Safe Analyzer bot. On the search button, you paste the CA and you send. Allow the bot to generate it. As you can see, the bot has already generated the information about the token. Okay, this token has a buy task of 4% and a sell task of 4%. Just something that the tokens never also said. Okay, then another way too. Another way of doing this using the Crypto Fighter bot. Okay, let's look at that one too. This is a Crypto Fighter bot here. Okay, so the same way we do on the Safe Analyzer, we just paste the CA here and we send. Okay, and we send. Okay, as you can see, the token has a buy task of 4% and sell task of 4%. So thank you so much for watching and staying with us. I believe you'll be able to, if any token you see, once you get a CA, you can be able to check how to check the task, the buy and the sell task of the token. Okay, please, if you actually learn something from this video, I will beg you, please just do it to subscribe and to like the video. Okay, please do it to like and subscribe so that you get to those who really need it. Just the way you were able to search for this video and get it, some other people might not be able to do that. So the best way you can get to them is if you like the video and if you subscribe to the channel, the video will be ranked higher and it will get to people who really need it. A lot of people really need this video out there. Those who doesn't, the people that have no newbies out there who doesn't know, please, I beg you. I'm sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Shady BTC, and my name is Shady BTC, and the channel you are watching is Dijan Pal. Thank you so much, and God bless.